This is the 2016 question 5b for Mr. Fitz. They're impacting in the j direction, so no change in I. When it's like this, it's the j where there's no change. And we have identical smooth spheres, and we have velocities after, clearly in bold. So if we have two identical spheres, we can call them mass m, 3i minus j, and 2i plus j. And if there's no change in the I direction for P, we're going to have 3i, and I'll just call it plus aj or pj or something, and then we're going to have for Q 2i plus, we'll use b pj. So if I just change the color, so the unknowns are the a and b, so we're focusing on the j's. So a times m plus b times m is equal to this minus 1 times m and this plus 1 times m, and they're going to cancel, so we're going to get and divide by m, so we're going to get a plus b is equal to 0. And if we use Newton's experimental law, and these are on page 49 I think in the tables, so we have, just make sure you get the v's on the right place. So we simplify this one, it's v1 minus v2 over u1 minus u2 is equal to minus e. So we apply that information, the final velocities first. So we have minus 1 and then minus plus 1, minus 1, these two velocities, over a minus b, just double check it's the minuses, they are minuses, equals minus e, so equals minus a half. So this is minus 2 over a minus b equals minus 1 over 2. Cross multiply and we're going to get minus a plus b is equal to minus 4, and then I can write a plus b is equal to 0 underneath to get 2b is equal to minus 4, so b is minus 2, and because they add to 0 that means a has to be plus 2. So for p we're going to have 3i, a is 2 plus 2j, and for q we're going to have 2i minus 2j. And then we're asked for the angle to the nearest degree to which the direction of motion of P is deflected by the collision. When we take this angle here and then this angle here, we need to get these two angles and add them together. We call this one in here A and this one in here B. And I might actually draw the angle slightly differently. So we have our first velocity is 3i. We got plus 2j, 3 and a 2. We say it's traveling in this direction. We're going to get the angle A, the tan of A is equal to 2 over 3. So A is equal to 33.7 degrees, and then the second part we were given, it's 3i minus j, so it's going 3i 3 minus 1, it's going in this direction, so 1 over 3, so the tan of b is 1 over 3, so b is equal to 18.43. We add these two together, we're going to get 52.13 degrees for the angle through which the direction is deflected. We are asked to the nearest degree, so 52 degrees.